coming past Steamboat and going down into Dayton, Wyoming. So right up there you got Fallen City. Now it's only a matter of getting into 11 because this road is just perfect for that. Kind of hard to talk and focus on the corners at the same time, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Such a cool ride. I'm gonna start a forest fire. dragging the floorboards. Oh, don't do it. Of course you did it. That was floorboard. That was floorboard. Love it. Double or nothing, baby. So pretty. I wish you could look in the mirror and see. I mean, you know, if you're a cager and you're watching this and you see a motorcycle come up behind you, it's probably not the best idea to pull out right in front of him when you're on the mountain, because he's nowhere to be found now. Even though I'm riding an 850-pound beast, still move faster, brake faster, accelerate faster than a cage any day. I'm probably going to get a ticket now. Nope, it's just the Forest Service. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to drop a comment, hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed already, do that for us. Been working hard on making these videos, and I'd love to see more of you guys following.